All right, guys, there's a little bit of wind noise because there's a jet turbine. We're over here and we're vlogging. Over here with the 600 dirt bike. Pat been working on it a little bit. He put a new spark plug, new CDI box right here. We don't got a petcock yet, so basically we taped it, shoved it in the hole, put flex tape, and then sprayed it with and then sprayed it with flex seal. So it should work pretty good to hold it from leaking. So we're gonna record once we get it on and then everything that happened. I'm gonna put the first clip of him turning it on before we get into this. Let go. Round 2. Ooh. There is some bubbles of air.
My neighbor was on the phone. That's why I was laughing.
I hear that boy Patty. Is that? Oh, that's not Patty. Hold on. Patty on the dirt bike. He's only in second gear, by the way.
Everyone.